Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. Let's get started. To transform an Excel file into a Google Sheets document, begin by opening your Google Drive. Now, locate the New button in the upper left corner and select Google Sheets. This action will open a new Google Sheets document. Next, navigate to the File menu and choose Import. You'll be presented with a window featuring various options for importing a file. You can import the Excel file directly from your drive, share documents, recent files, or even upload it from your computer. For our demonstration, let's choose the Upload option, allowing us to drag and drop the file we wish to import or use the blue button to browse your computer. So, click on the blue button, select the file from your computer, and click Open. Google Sheets will now present you with three options for importing the file. Since we've recently opened a new blank Google Sheets document, the most convenient choice is to replace Spreadsheet. Click on Import Data and that's it. Your data will now be displayed in the Google Sheets document. It's essential to keep a few things in mind though. Certain features and formatting may change during the conversion process. Excel offers more advanced formatting options compared to Google Sheets, so some features may not function the same way. Additionally, please note that macros do not work in tables imported from Excel to Google Sheets, and certain functions that Excel supports but Google Sheets does not support may be lost in the conversion. Nonetheless, your data will always maintain its original appearance from the Excel file, ensuring reliability. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.